Yeah, one of the questions we get, especially with homeowners, is do we have enough coverage to cover the home if it burns down? And that is a valid question. One of the things that you have to compare, and every insurance company uses, is a different amount per square foot as a replacement cost, which is the cost of labor and the cost of materials. How easy is it to get to your location? All of those things factor in. Some of the policies out there will build in a buffer of 25% if you go over, which is a good thing. Some of the companies won't. The other thing that you need to pay attention to is your deductible. Some people out there have a fixed deductible of $500, $1,000, or $2,500, which you're responsible for paying first. Some companies out there have put in a percentage of the home's value as your deductible. Now, your deductible is based on that value, so you want to pay attention to what that number is, because you may not be comparing apples to apples when it comes to the cost. For more information, or for us to take a look at the differences in your policies, give us a call. We'll walk you through the details. You may not like our answers, you may not like our rates, but it's not complicated. We'll make sure you have the right thing.